Kiku ne penge oyahke cheke ne mane. E honge ne shpiane miwe ne mane. Ne temiane, utjane ne mane. Aquane lenge ne paujane. Nundosiane, aquandeme ishtehiane. Nippe sakachuiane. In the evening, she barked at him. He told what he saw. When I go,
You know the bridge between Bill and Barb's and his mom and dad's? It's just a level thing right now. Why? I guess it's falling apart.
Did that barn fell? Did that barn?
Oh, I went past there the other day, but I didn't pay attention because I wasn't sure if the road was still open. Where is this? Straight out Brookville Road. All I know is that is what they meaning my husband's great-grandfather, that was what he brought over when he came over from Germany. My great-grandparents' house in McKee, Kentucky.
e la che si bakana piata, nenge ato tanga. Kukiane, che kikone sake ne mane, che kiku ne penge, oyahke cheke ne mane. E honge ne shpiane miwe ne mane, me temiane, utjane ne mane, aquane nenge ne paujane. Nundosiane, aquandeme ishtehiane, nippe sakachuiane. In the evening, Shibakana came. He told what he saw. When I dove, I saw all the fish. I saw everything that lives in the water. When I came to the bottom, I saw a road. I followed it. I saw a house. I stood at the door. Then I went out the door, I think. I came out of the water.
Kukiane, cheke, kifone sake, nemane. Cheki kiku, nepinge, rea kecheke, nemane. Ekonge, nekiane, miwe nemane. Metimiane, wikiame nemane. Aquandeme ne paviane. Nundosiane, aquandeme ishtehiane, nippe sakachuiane.
So after the shooting, of course, they closed.
Sort of life story here is a woman, single woman surviving it. And there's another person that just
I would have escaped that semester.
So I got hired, I was hired as a painting.
But so yeah, so I was in engineering now. We had an office that we did municipal and industrial on it.
They meaning my husband's great-grandfather, that was what he brought over when he came over from Germany. Certain people that just because they're not born here,
It was uncomfortable to walk around.
none of us were born here.
I was even afraid of moving a bit because because of me, this plane can go down. But when we went to Canada, we literally had beaches, and we were departing from Greece to Argentina, and there was no way back. So we were it's sort of weird when you think about it. I was so reckless. My parents think that I was not they say they were driving, but actually they were kind of almost releasing our family were.
And the other thing is, this is an education class. Almost all the students are
So that's kind of my personality.
So you're on every day test. And it hadn't occurred to me, having gone to an all-girls high school and an all-women's college, that I was unwelcomed or unhonorary. But standing in line, there were probably maybe 7 or 8 men waiting to take the test to get into law school. And for them,
I really want to go to the African continent. I want to get to really thought about where I would go. In Davis, you speak at the Arts Department to law school, and then he say, go. He just said, oh, you take my seat. Because you can get a deferment for law school, med school, or for public school teaching. He said, if you take my seat, law school, I'm not going to be on. And I want you to understand that if I go to the other young kid, my life is on your hands, and it's your fault that I'm dead. I was taken back.
Come and see what it was like back in the 1950s, 1960s. The Cold War.
And to this day, it's unclear to me. I think because I had the ticket, and that's what I planned to do, I went in and took the test. I remember being surprised, taken back by that. And I did get accepted into a couple of law schools.
I went to go to grad school and started my profession in architecture in some way, design. But given everything that's going on and seeing how emotional it has made me and how passionate it is, I definitely feel I need to go in some way towards politics and really educate myself on how to handle that politics, education, public administration, something along those lines. I need to get involved with. It's only going to make me better design, and it's only going to make me a better person. And I want to have
So this kind of shows you the point of underground German, where were those main lines coming in. And here were some of the churches where they gathered.
Yeah, 1837.
Yeah. So it was a prominent stop for hog drivers heading to Cincinnati. And they would come and stop here and stay the night. From what I have read through research, they would either stay inside the house or they would stay outside because it was a little cheaper to do that. And then they would further their journey down to Cincinnati. And so that information was mentioned in the Miami Valley memoirs. So this is a route, since we're right here by state line, that was where everybody traveled through. This was kind of like the highway.
because while there was a curtain, we weren't supposed to be able to tell whether the musician who was auditioning was real. They could tell because of the clip clop of their high heels as they went to the mic. So they knew who was a woman because of that, even though it was supposed to be blind auditions. Yeah.
Geke, Kaputu engote apoyata, apopiata kuta kake meto senyake, newa chike saki weunge. Na pasa, na bilata we chike, bilata we yangi. Nehesa wenda wache, mateko kisena akana, bila chike ina meto senyake. Uchilinge kilima su wenjina kosawache. Uchawe yake kilima wata ehe aya wache. Unine ningike ishime wache. Ningia seka kweta amesale wapangekwa. Chekimito senyake kyoshiyake elam tangeke. Sipiwe sakiwe sipiwe wendangeke. Ehonje sa kachewe wache. Ininu ungonje nije wengenjeke. Seka kweta, seka konanga, seka kokwa. At first the Myaamiataweenki came out of the water. The place that emerged is called Coming Out Place. The first ones emerged from the water. Grab hold of tree limbs, they told each other. And they came out. Then they formed a town there. From there they went away. They left the town. After a while, one returned. When he came back, he saw other people at Coming Out Place. To our surprise, their language was just like our language. They gave them a name, Old Moccasins, he called those people. I don't know where they came from. Nobody knew where they went. This is how my mother's told me. My mother, Seka Kweta, and her older sister, Wa Pangekwa. All the old Indian men believed it. They called the river Coming Out River, at the place where they came out from. Because of this, people are named Seka Kweta, Seka Konanga, and Seka Kokwa. Ehige.